guys, it is the day of the Masters. We just left. It's 5:50, no, it's 6. It's pretty early in the morning, but should be a good time.
Chitty bang!
Alright guys, I got a cool surprise for you. Just got home from the Masters, pulled back to the house, and my sisters brought back something very fun, which I will show you in about 2 seconds. So this is what they brought me. Very, very nice jet ski. This should be super fun. I don't have much time because it's gonna be dark soon, but I'll try and get some footage. Alright, bye. Alright guys, I'm gonna take you for a nice little ride. Alright guys, I just got done riding the jet ski. So much fun. A little chilly though, so I'm going to be riding a lot more tomorrow. I'll probably got a lot more videos, a lot more footage. But I hope you enjoy what I took. It was the best I could do with one hand. A little bit dangerous, probably shouldn't do it. But probably going to chill in the hot tub for a bit. I'll catch you guys later after dinner. Yeah, I'm back guys. This is the hot tub. Finally got it to work pretty good. Super nice, super warm. Just a great day.
What's up?
What's up guys? We are driving my mom's best friend's car, which is a Range Rover Sport Custom Edition.
It has like red interior, if you can see.
Oh dude, this car is so tight.
You can see that.
Yeah, we'll give it a little rev for you in a second.
But we are going to their house to get some food that they left.
Cucumbers,
and then
more specifically.
Cucumbers, yeah. And we're gonna have a good family dinner. But in the meantime, we'll show you how this car brings the style to the road. Am I right? All right.
We gotta pull up a little bit farther.
So they can't hear us.
Yeah, these cars are pretty damn loud.
All right. That's a little taste for you.
This car is damn loud.
Yeah. That's a little taste for you. We'll keep you updated later.
Right.
Bye. Ah!
Alright guys, thanks for watching. It was a great day, a lot of events, and I hope you enjoyed it. See ya.
Bye.